Hello, my name is Andrea. Welcome back. And today's going to be kind of fun because just yesterday, Facebook released Facebook Reels. And why this is important, especially as a small business marketer, is that when any of the social media platforms rolls out a new feature, even if it's not really a new feature, it's been on Instagram for a long time, they really want people to use it. And so if you are a small business marketer and you don't have a huge budget, it's kind of a good idea to get on board with that new feature as soon as possible because there's fewer people on it and the platform wants people to use it. So they will reward you for getting out there. This morning, I posted my first reel for my business where I am a marketing manager. And I'm going to show you how I did it, where you can find it, and my results so far. How does that compare to just like a regular post on Facebook? First of all, the reels are only on mobile. So I recorded my phone when I posted my first reel this morning. Okay, so go into Facebook, and right now Reels are only available so far on business pages. So I go into my business page, scroll down here where you see short video, that's Reels. So click on short video. Here's my mug. I'm going to use some content from Instagram first. I'm going to go into my Instagram account for my company, scroll down to one of my more popular Reels here. How about this one that has like a little over 1,200 views? I'm going to download that to my phone. So yeah, I just save it. It cannot be downloaded with the audio. So I'm going to go back into Facebook and kind of remix it. So let's go back into Facebook in the business account here, click on short video. Now I'm going to click on that video that I downloaded from Instagram. Now I'm going to search music in Facebook for that same song that I used on Instagram Reels, and it is there. So I'm just going to use the same song that I used on Instagram Reels, kind of make sure that it works out again. It seemed like the captions didn't really work. So I'm writing the description for my first reel in Facebook and adding some hashtags, of course, to make it searchable. Okay, now I am ready to post it. Now I'm back on my personal account and I want to see if it pulled up correctly. So it is in my news feed. It's playing in the Reels section, which looks a little bit different than when you just post a regular video. Okay, and then it just kind of goes on to other Reels. Let's just take a look at Reels on Facebook. I'm in the music section. They have a lot of options. This is also the green screen option within Reels on Facebook. And what's cool about this is, so like I could make a green screen over one of my own videos or documents or something like that. So this is kind of a cool interactive feature. And again, it's like if Facebook is featuring this feature, they might want you to use it. So you might just want to try it out. It might be a great way to kind of get some new customers or followers. Okay, so I just posted that reel to Facebook really a few minutes ago. Let me go in and check on it. As of right now, it has, it says 51 people reached, 8 engagements, 2 likes, 2 shares. Let me just take a screenshot of this right now for you to see. It does say boost unavailable, which is interesting. 8 engagements, 51 people reached within the first few minutes. That's actually pretty good, a little bit better than just what a normal post would be. So I'm going to be curious to keep watching this. I am also going to post another reel probably in another hour or so. That will be just straight from my phone and not downloaded from Instagram, so it won't have that Instagram watermark on it. I just wanted to see if that makes a difference. So I'm all about trial and error here on this channel, and I will let you know what works for me, what doesn't work for me. Again, just so you know, this doesn't seem to be available to everybody and every account just yet. It's only available on my business account right now. So I hope you subscribe, and I will see you soon.
Mommy,
Yeah, honey.
It doesn't have batteries.
It doesn't have batteries, I know. We need to get more batteries for it.
Daddy has batteries in the basement.
Daddy does have batteries in the
I can
basement.
come on, put it in the basement so Daddy can fix it.
Okay, that's a good idea. I'll see you in a second.